How's it going? So we've had someone come up with a computer and plug it in, and it come up with no faults whatsoever, which is a bit of a bummer, but you know, that's what it is, and hey ho. But hey, anyway, so second of all is we tested a few things. We sorted out the cab thing, thinking it was that, and then he noticed that when you turn this all on, you have a, I don't know if you can see, but the cab lock. So the problem we got is that the demobilizer on it is not detecting the key, or it's saying that something's not right. So we have a problem. So basically now what we've got to do is we've got to get it remapped and get that disconnected. It's getting done hopefully next week. Sadly, I'm not going to have it done in time to use for the weekend, but these things happen. So we've got the seat in, we've got the sun visor in, that in, all this in, all the door trims, right down to the floor. We've even got the step on. So we've got the step on here. So all that side is done. Also got the clutch bled up. My little boy helped me do it. If you guys have ever got one of these and you want to bleed the clutch, I had a look underneath for a bleed screw, couldn't find one. I ended up having to hunt around and I found this thing sticking out. So this is actually a bleed screw for the clutch. It's actually on the bell housing, on top of the bell housing. So the next job is to do the brakes, but my little boy is not here to help me and my old man's busy. I've got all this to still do this side, so my next plan is to pop all this plastic on, put seat belts in and get all that done. I was going to do it tonight, but I'm having a bit of an early night tonight because we've got people turning up for supper and whatnot. And also tomorrow I'll be tacking this. Tomorrow is not meant to be a really good day, so if it's nice first thing, I might start attacking all this first thing. But I'd like to get the cab done so I can basically get all the tools out, and then I can tilt the cab with no major problems. I also suddenly remembered I haven't put the cap on that, so I need to find a little rubber cap for it and fit that on, which my little boy was in here and I can't remember exactly where I sat it. Oh, there, I knew I sat it somewhere. So I'll put that on there so no dirt gets in it, because that would not be good. So yeah, we're getting there. We've got it all sorted. We've just got lights to do. So this one here, I'm hoping just to cut the bracket for the curve to go in. This one here, I would like to do the same, but sadly this is on the wrong side, and I think I'm going to end up affecting that. So I might take off that one on that side and sort of just see if I can make a bracket to go in here to do the same thing as this, so I can make the lights fit. That side's going to be more complicated than that side, so we're going to do this side first, get it all done. We've also got to wind the tension up for the thing. So apart from replacing yellow load, that bit there, tightening that up, sorting that out, we've got the PTO thing to put in. We've also got the handbrake cable to do, and then she's basically just got to wait for the computer to be done. So hopefully on the weekend we'll start taking all these out, freeing up all this, giving them a good wire brush, good clean, and then also while we're at it we will free up all the slides and all that and get it all tickety-booed, so it's all ready. So thanks for watching. So we are one step closer. As you can see, we've got all that side in. It looks pretty cool. So we've got all that in properly. I just got to find the other hook that goes up there, and then basically tidy up the rest of it. So we should be really just about sorted and ready to go. So bring on tomorrow, I guess.